last night. While tuning into my frequencies, I had a surprising experience. I received a contact from the source, loud and clear. It wasn't a sound, it was a signal. Something new is coming, different but beautiful. Something that will give more power to our frequencies. I have to try this. I have to know if it's safe. I'm really excited to know this. You've been selected for the program. Access to the next phase granted.
It took a little space, I was up for days, thinking about the way I'd seen your face. It's written in your fate. 'Cause every small mistake, the games we played, trying to communicate but we commiserate. We're jaded in our ways, now I suffocate. How did something so great get so sick? Well, we should've known that we'd break. Get all the way there, much farther than I dreamed. You rushed the job too quickly and caused the bloom to be. Well, you were mine until the seams started to bleed. So sick. I hear you're in the dirt now. Look so beautiful now. Is it gonna talk? Is it gonna walk? What's on your conscience? Why you look like a guilty zombie? Is it my friend? Which one are you gonna send to me? What on God's earth are you? I never thought I'd see this side of you. Till you got me watching just to see what you got next up your slave. And we never talked just 'cause you knew it'd be our last text. Well, you until we started to split at the seams. Baby, what have you done to your skin to look so beautiful? So sick. We'll